Nagpapalit lang kami ng pera. Ito yung resulta. We have turon, potato corner, zagu, and Jamaican patties. Yes! Drive.
And welcome back to my channel! It's your favorite Madriba Pierce, where all you need in my vlogs are your eyes and your ears. Yeah! Ah, look how cute she is! Okay! She likes playing with my suitcase when I was there. Anyways, for this vlog, all we're going to do is eat and eat and eat and eat like we never get full. Oh my gosh. Enjoy Maginoo, mukbang, and more. Magpapalaba kami. Doing our laundry in the Philippines. We're going to God's Grace Laundry Shop. Mabuhay!
Papalaba po!
Mga followers, kasama ko si...
Hello, my name is Stylist Emil. Here from the Philippines.
Yes! Tinutulungan niya akong pagandahin ng aking hair.
Yes, of course.
At bibiyahe siya ng napakalayo. Thank you. Tapos gutom na gutom yan. So, hindi namin papakainin. Joke! May pagkain mamaya. Gagawin niya yung roots ko para hindi masyadong yellow. Look, it grew in Japan already. Tapos tatanggalin din niya yung yellow, di ba?
Yes.
1 hour later.
Last na. Hair treatment. Di ba? Tama ba?
Yes po. Hair and scalp po.
Hair and scalp treatment. Wow!
A little later.
Mga followers, tapos na! Ang galing! Oh my gosh! Ang galing! Kapag nandito kayo sa Philippines, bibigay ko sa inyo yung... Lalagay ko yung Facebook... Pwede ko ba ilagay?
Ay, yes naman.
Lalagay ko yung Facebook contact niya dyan. So, kung gusto niyo magpaano ng hair. Oh my gosh!
Smooth siya. Parang siyang cotton. No, kasi hair na siya.
Thank you!
Thank you so much po.
Binisita namin each stone. We got one of each. Takaw mata. Cheers! Nagpapalit lang kami ng pera. Ito yung resulta. We have turon, potato corner, zagu, and Jamaican patties. Yes! Eating potato corner with my new bestie. Yum, yum, yum. Yay, 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 yay. Say hi. 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 Yeah, 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 yeah. We're in the Philippines! Nakain tayo ng mga pinili natin sa sa Cherry. Actually, natikman ko na ito lahat. Pero, uulitin natin dahil vlogger na tayo ngayon. Dati, hindi pa tayo vlogger. Kain lang tayo ng kain dati. Ngayon, kain na. At saka i-film natin. Okay, una natin titikman. Naubos ko na nga yung coffee. Masarap.
Vietnamese coffee yun ng Zagu since 1999. Wow. Parang kakapanganak ko pa lang nun. Then we have cheese fries from Potato Corner. Mmm. Well, mas masarap yung Potato Corner dito sa Philippines. Kasi I think the cheese powder, it has more chemicals. So what? That's why it's better. And we also got sour cream. Ito talaga yung masarap, yung sour cream. It's one of my favorite flavors every time. Kahit hindi fries, sour cream yung pipiliin. Nah, let's go get fries. Right here. Say hi! Here. Yay! Hi, loyal followers! Hi. Crickets. Gusto lang niya yung fries kaya siya pumupunta sa akin. Pero actually, first time ko siya na-meet, hindi siya umiiyak. Yay! New bestie! You like the fries? New fries! Yay! 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 You like the fries? You gonna review it? Ayun na niya. Nakuha niya na yung fries, aalis na siya ulit. Wow, meron tayong basketballista in the house. That's why kailangan namin maaga umuwi dahil may schedule daw siya. Wow. And then we got Jamaican patty. It's like a empanada. Sila. Mas malaki sa mukha ko. Ay, hindi pala. Parang mask lang. Parang facial mask.
Ginagawa mo.
Titikman natin ng walang hot sauce first. Kasi ito na yung maanghang eh. It's like cheesy beef, shoot, I forgot. Basta yung maanghang. We'll try it without the sauce. Mmm! Mmm! Scrumptious! Okay lang na maingay ka. Ano yan, fan? Yeah. Wow, yung best friend ko concerned. Nainitan ako, bibigyan niya ako ng... Kala ko concerned, dadali pa na niya sa basketball game niya.
Ikaw na mag-ayos kung saan.
Mag-hi ka muna sa loyal followers. That's my best friend! Ay, nahihiya! O, diba binigyan niya ako ng lighting and fan? Ah, fan lang ba yun? Akala ko lighting din.
Pwede naman, pero dilaw naman.
Thanks. Nagpabili ako ng fan na ganito, meron din palang ganito kalaki oh. Now I want this one. Oh no! At try na natin na may hot sauce. I feel like this one is supposed to be spicy by itself, pero hindi naman siya maanghang. According to my taste. Parang hindi pa rin maanghang kahit may sauce. Last but not least, turon. Ano yung kasama ng turon? Binili ako ni Giselle ng turon. Say hi! Dinamay lang niya ako kasi siya talaga yung may gusto ng turon. So yung dessert natin, turon na mayroong alangka. Wala pang sauce to. Like chocolate dipping sauce. Cheers! Mmm! Sarap! Lasang turon. Ayun na yung mga nabili namin. So next one, iba naman yung try natin. So hindi, kailangan wala ng potato corner, wala ng Jamaican patty, wala ng turon. And wala ng Zagu. So i-rate natin. Last place, pinaka hindi ko nagustuhan. Pero masarap din. I think, shoot, ang hirap pumili. I think this is the last one kasi I can do without the drink. Hindi ko kailangan mag-drinks. I can just drink water with the food that I got. Next one, maybe yung Jamaican patty. Kasi, dapat maanghang siya, pero hindi naman maanghang. Pero masarap pa din. Maybe next time I'll get the non-spicy ones. Next, yung turon. Kasi hindi naman talaga ako napilit lang ako. Pero masarap yung turon. And then, first place, Potato Corner! Yeah! Potato Corner, pagkaya naman. Pag-send kayo ng free cards. Free na lang hihingi pa. Pero kayo yung pinakamasarap. Doon sa California, hindi masyadong masarap yung potato corner dahil nga yung powder iba. That was it. That was just a quick one. We're gonna go to a lot more food places. Bibili tayo ng isaw. Bibili tayo ng fishball and everything. So I'll see you guys when we do that. Finally, mag-iisaw na kami. Yum! Ang init pa din. Titikman natin kung masarap yung isaw. Ate, hindi pa luto, nagpapahinga ka na. Joke lang. Joke lang. Joke lang. Thank you, ate. First isaw ko to. Sino kuya na ba yun? Hi! That's kuya. Mga followers, nandito kami sa Maginoon! Yes! Magdi-dinner kami kasama ang Maginoon family.
Parang kay Maday.
Actually, pareho kami ng hagdanan. No? Ito yung hagdanan nila sa Lipa. Ganyan din. I've only seen this in pictures and videos, and now I'm here. First time natin mag-iisaw.
Tell him to follow your vlog.
Naka-subscribe ba kayo? Ini-invite nyo ako dito, tapos hindi pala kayo subscribers. Joke. First bite.
Wala nga kami account sa YouTube.
First isaw.
But we have to like put it in a plate. So it looks presentable.
Wala din? Wala na. Ay, ano na
Say hi!
Subscribers now.
Pakita ko sa inyo yung mga iba ko pang binili. Oh my gosh, so good. Yum! Meron kaming pork ears, hot dog,
Ano po ito?
BBQ,
Egg.
BBQ,
Egg.
and chicken isaw. Appetizer lang yan dahil may handa pa kami. Pinaganda kami dahil... Bakit kuya? Ba't mo ko pinaganda?
Dahil bakla ka.
Yes! Visit na to.
Puro pork.
Nice. What's that?
Bumili na si Bo.
Fried rice.
Oh, nice.
Egg.
Egg fuyong.
Egg something.
Egg foo old. Egg foo old kasi kahapon pa. Loyal followers, wala na kung sino.
Tawagan mo pala.
Next one to try.
Bakit?
Pork ears.
Board.
Oo.
Naalala nyo ba yung sa cooking ng ina ko?
Oo. Sabi ko pa.
Nagluto kami ng toko at baboy. And we got pork ears. Ito yung hearing aid ni Tita LV. Oh wow. I don't know if I'm deprived deprived of eating isaw, ihaw, but this is so good. Ang sarap. Parang lahat ng binili ko sa akin lang.
Oh. Ano ba to?
Barbecue. What do you think of the barbecue? Really?
That's good.
We'll go with Nina.
Pork is no
Go with Nina first. Go with Nina. You wanna play with Yuna?
Ay, may music na bawal na akong... Alam ko na, i-ano na lang natin. May music background na no copyright. Ba't yung kumakain, kuya? Diet? Wow!
Dapat kinakain niya, no?
Nangingi ako ng pampulutan. Akala ko ang sarap ng inilabas ni kuya, oh. Sabi ko, oh my gosh, ang sarap naman ito. Binuksan. Ang hirap buksan. O, di ba akala mo brand new, ang hirap kasi buksan. Tingnan mo na may laman. Wala na. Ayoko na. Gusto mo? Gusto mo ba yung Philippines?
Kunti lang.
Mainit?
Sobra.
Bye!